Oh, sir.
What's up, officer?
Officer, just let you know you're being recorded, okay?
I'm headed to the DMV. That's where I'm going to get all my registration and everything.
You know your registration expired since 2021.
That's where I'm going.
So you have your license expired as well.
That's why I'm going to the DMV. Give me my paperwork here.
Yo, don't touch me. Don't
give me
like that.
Give me my paperwork. Get this on camera.
On May 3rd, 2024, a New Jersey County Sheriff's deputy initiated a traffic stop on a 2015 Porsche 911 for a missing front license plate.
Kilo comes back, negative stolen 2015 Porsche 911, two-door, color gray. Registration expired.
Step that one. How's it going, sir?
What's up, officer?
Officer Silla, Hudson County Sheriff's Office. Let you know you're being recorded, okay?
I'm headed to the DMV. That's where I'm going to get all my registration and everything straight on this car.
At first, everything appeared to be normal as a simple traffic stop, but things would soon escalate between the actor and the officer.
You know your registration expired since 2021.
That's where I'm going. I'm headed right there.
When did you decide to go and change?
Yesterday. I went yesterday. But
Yeah, but what I'm saying is your registration been expired since 2021.
the car's been parked.
Are you sure?
Yeah, of course I'm sure. That's why I'm trying to get this car set up to roll. Yesterday I went to the DMV and they said that their system was down, so that's where I'm headed. I got 7 cars. I'm trying to get them all straight.
You say you went to DMV yesterday? They said the system is down?
Yesterday, yep.
What time was your appointment yesterday?
I didn't have an appointment. They just take me.
You need to have an appointment to go to DMV.
I don't need one
Why is that?
because they know me.
Because they know you. Is your passport? Do you have a driver's license with you?
Yep. I'm getting that. That has. That's expired.
So you have your license expired as well?
That's why I'm going to the DMV.
Sir, even if it's 1 feet, you cannot drive with an expired license and expired registration.
I mean, why don't you follow me right to this garage right here? The DMV is right there. You don't gotta be that serious about this. I mean, you can, but you don't have to.
Well, is it serious? So, give me 1 second.
I could park the car right here and then walk to the DMV.
That's 5667.
It's 5'6". I'm good. I'm with our
Those are all the things.
You said you have other vehicles registered?
I have 7 vehicles.
Okay.
Receipt. Do you want me to start the hood?
It's 5'6". It's the somebody. You could have drive the other vehicle who was registered and get this one registered.
Can I handle this? You gonna take me to jail?
I'm not gonna take you to jail.
Okay, can I park the car here and walk to the DMV?
I'm gonna tow your vehicle. It's
No,
expired.
you're not finna tow my vehicle. Let me park my car right here.
You're not gonna move your car, sir. You give me your keys right now, and I'm gonna tow your vehicle. You try to be more respectful with me, I'm gonna respect you the same way.
Well, then let me. You see, I'm going to.
No, you're not gonna tell me what to do. I'm gonna tell you what to do. So give me your keys right now. If you're gonna go that route.
I asked you, can I park my car?
I said not. Give me your keys, sir.
If I'm not under arrest, then I'm getting out of my car. Give me my paperwork here. Fucking.
No, don't touch me. Don't
Give me
like that.
Give me my paperwork. Get this on camera. This motherfucker. I'm a foot away from DMV.
Keep your distance.
You are a fucking asshole.
I'm not an asshole. You've been an asshole to me.
I'm not an asshole. I'm trying to get to the DMV. I showed you all the paperwork. Let me start recording your dumb ass.
So 5'6", start the hook and start another unit.
Alright, you're in the parking lot for Dunkin' Donuts, right?
It's 5-6.
Irish communications to SO83.
The actor began recording as the officer called for backup. Ice-T appeared visibly angry, frustrated that the officer didn't give him another option to register his vehicle.
Irish to SO83. He's going to be 9001 Bergen Line, where the Dunkin' Donuts is. SO83 region. That's 5-6, Jacob notified him.
So what happened, Sarge?
What's up, Sarge?
Hey, what's going on, brother? How are you?
I'm trying to get to DMV to register my cars.
Okay.
I got all the paperwork and everything there. I asked the officer, could I just go over here or even park my car so that I could walk over there and get all my paperwork together. He says he wants to tow my car.
All right, give me a second. Let me find out what's going on here, and then we'll figure something out, okay?
Okay.
Right,
I'm doing a little too much, Sarge.
Okay. So what I was going to do is just issue him a ticket, let him park here. Okay. He jumped out of the vehicle. He didn't even ask me. He came so close to me. And he said, he called me an asshole. He called me an asshole, and he said, give me all your paperwork right now. All right. And everything's been recorded. And your vehicle's been towed. And you're receiving tickets. For right now, for tactical purposes.
The officer received permission to issue the actor 4 tickets, including one for driving with a suspended license.
What's up, Sarge? Oh, shit, I forgot to, All right, you can issue him a ticket, and that's going to be it, right? He's going to leave the car here? Up to you, whatever you want to do. Yeah, we'll go with that, okay? You're going to leave the car here? Okay. Yeah, he's going to park the car here. No problem. Go across the street and get the paperwork for the car. Okay, but he's getting 4 tickets, though. All right, okay. Driving a registered motor vehicle, driving with an expired license. Okay. Improper display, he got no front plates and no inspection sticker. Okay. How many did you make out already? What's that? 4. You made 4? You already sent them in? Not yet. Yes? No. Can you bring it down to 2? Nah, I'm sorry. Okay, all right. No, it's up to you, bro. I can't tell you. Okay, all right. All right. I can't tell him as a sergeant what to do. Okay? I can guide him and I can make a recommendation. He's going to give you 4 tickets. Okay? I asked him not to give you the 4 tickets, but we could bring it down to 2. He said no. He's giving you the 4 tickets.
What are the 4 tickets?
He says you have no front plate, no inspection sticker, no registration, and your driver's license is expired.
Okay. All right.
All right. Did you call them and tell them that everything was going to I did, yeah, I did.
Okay. All right.
So I know if you want to come with me or...
Yeah.
Okay.
So they know that that you're not going to get the tow and that you're going to...
Yeah, I'm 11 right now. Okay.
At some point, yeah, I'm sorry. I don't know if he told you, but everything's being recorded on these body cameras, so...
Okay. So, as for my sergeant, we're not going to tow your vehicle, but you're receiving summonses. Here's your keys. Here's your paperwork, driver's license, everything you gave me. You're receiving a ticket for no front plates.
Where's all the other paperwork?
It's in there. Everything you gave me. It's in the vehicle. You have no inspection, driving expired registration, and driving with expired license.
You're, like I said, you're going to leave the car here and just go to DMV.
Yeah. I'm walking DMV and handle business.
So, but you do know your registration is expired and your license too. Right?
That's what I'm going for.
Okay, I'm just letting you know that I didn't know if you just knew your registration was expired. You got both.
I got everything.
Okay, all right.
Yeah. All right. No, I'm good.
All right, you
Just the way he shooted me, I was going to park the vehicle. No tickets issued, but just next time show some respect. That's all I got to say.
I don't have to.
All right, let's
Okay, I don't have either.
All right, let's
so, you have a great day, sir.
all right.
Let's examine the constitutional framework. Under New Jersey Statute 39:3-33, all registered motor vehicles must display both a front and rear plate. A missing front plate constitutes a clear, observable traffic violation. This provides unambiguous probable cause under the Supreme Court's ruling in Whren versus United States, decided in 1996, which held that any observed traffic violation justifies a stop, regardless of the officer's subjective intent. The stop itself is constitutionally sound. The Fourth Amendment permits a seizure of this nature when an officer can point to specific, articulable facts establishing a violation. Officer N.J.S.A clears that bar without difficulty. During the stop, two additional violations surface. First, the vehicle registration has been expired since 2021, a violation of New Jersey Statute 39:3-4, which prohibits operating an unregistered motor vehicle on a public roadway. Second, the driver's license is also expired, a separate offense under New Jersey Statute 39:3-10. The subject's stated intention to resolve both issues at the nearby DMV is understandable. It does not, however, eliminate violations that are already occurring at the moment of the stop. A fourth violation is confirmed. No valid inspection sticker in breach of New Jersey Statute 39:8-1. All four summonses issued are each independently supported by statute. The enforcement action is legally unassailable. The more legally complex question concerns the tow threat. Under New Jersey Statute 39:4-56, law enforcement holds discretionary authority to remove and impound a vehicle from a public roadway when the operator cannot legally drive it. The operative word is discretionary. The statute permits a tow, it does not compel one. When a compliant driver is steps away from a DMV capable of resolving the violations and no safety risk or obstruction exists, exercising maximum enforcement authority requires stronger justification. The subject's verbal response profane, confrontational, and sustained is constitutionally protected speech. The Supreme Court established in City of Houston versus Hill, decided in 1987, that individuals retain First Amendment protection when verbally challenging or berating law enforcement. For speech to lose First Amendment protection, it must constitute either a true threat or fighting words, meaning words specifically, calculated to provoke an immediate violent response. Profanity and name-calling, however aggressive, do not satisfy that legal threshold under established federal precedent. What the footage documents is an officer whose original plan, by his own subsequent account to his supervisor, was to issue a ticket and allow the vehicle to remain parked. That response was proportionate and legally sound. The decision to shift to a tow order and demand vehicle keys came not in response to new legal facts, but in response to the subject's tone, reactive enforcement driven by personal offense, rather than by a change in legal circumstances, raises legitimate concerns about officer discretion. The sergeant's intervention restores proportionality. He arrives, solicits both accounts without prejudgment, and redirects the encounter toward the resolution the officer had originally intended. This is supervisory oversight functioning as designed. The vehicle is not towed. 4 summonses are issued. The subject parks the car and walks to the DMV. The outcome is legally correct, and notably, it is precisely what the subject had requested before the confrontation escalated. Officer N.J.S.A receives a B+. The traffic stop was properly initiated, all violations accurately identified, and no force was used. These are genuine strengths. However, the decision to escalate enforcement in response to verbal provocation rather than maintaining seclitation. The proportionate original approach represents a failure of judgment that the sergeant had to correct. The subject receives a C+. His cooperation in providing documents and his credible explanation for the violations are noted. His calm, effective engagement with the arriving sergeant ultimately resolved the situation favorably. However, exiting the vehicle without invitation and sustaining an aggressive verbal confrontation was tactically counterproductive. It triggered the tow decision and called in backup, producing the exact outcome he was trying to prevent. The sergeant receives an A-. His response was measured, fair, and effective. He de-escalated a volatile encounter, protected the officer from an overreach decision, and delivered a proportionate outcome. The minor deduction reflects that earlier supervisory awareness might have prevented the confrontation entirely. 3 practical lessons emerge from this encounter. First, officer discretion must be anchored in legal facts, not emotional response. When the facts on the ground do not change, the enforcement posture should not change, simply because a subject's tone becomes hostile. Second, knowing your constitutional rights and exercising them effectively are not the same thing. Protected speech is a legal shield, not a tactical strategy. Using it aggressively in the moment can produce the opposite of the intended result. Third, supervisor intervention is a structural safeguard, not a sign of failure. In this encounter, the chain of command worked exactly as intended, catching a proportionality problem before it became a liability. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to check out our second channel, Audit the Court, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.